It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day to do a tool review. Would you join me? Could you join me? It's a neighborly day for a tool review. It's a neighborly day in the driveway. Would you join me? Could you join me for a wild badger tool review? All right, guys, girls, it's review time. Again, our friends at Wild Badger sent us this 20 volt hedge trimmer to review and a few other products down the line because I made a simple request. As you guys know, we are advocates within reason for battery powered equipment because we actually use it ourselves. We're going to be talking about is Wild Badger's 20 volt, 22 inch double bladed hedge trimmer. So this is going to be our charger. This is a compact tool. So you're going to get compact batteries and chargers, so it's not going to take up a lot of space. They do offer a 40 volt. We do use the 40 volt for Cobalt, and as you guys know, that is a little bit bigger, respectively. So what you're going to be getting is this very compact charger that does not take up a lot of space. And of course, a compact battery, aka a 2 amp hour gas can, right? Gas, which gives you about 60 minutes of runtime. This battery does not come fully charged. Please charge this battery to the T before you use it, because you want to you want to get a great return on investment and not use their 3-year warranty. That's right, they offer 3-year warranty for commercial and residential. Unlike other brands, they actually give you 2 types of warranties, one for commercial, one for residential. Wild Badger gives you all in one. There is no difference. They do not treat you any different whether you are a professional or a home owner. So let's get the meat and potatoes. Oh, look at this. Comes right out. And look, we have our brush guard here, which is very important, and it comes right out. This thing is about 5 pounds. We're gonna take our fully charged battery and slide it in. It doesn't get any easier than this. Okay, we're gonna have this little guard right here. You're gonna squeeze that, and basically you're good to go. You let go of this, these both could be, these have to be held at the same time. Okay, there is no lock. You cannot lock this in and go around like some other brands. You let go of one of these, this thing will stop operating. Let's get a close look at the teeth right here. Not too shabby. If I have to do some cinematics, I will. And of course, a small guard. Remember, this thing is about 5 pounds. I think it's like 5.5, 5.6. Okay, and this motor spins 2400 MPS. A fancy word for this motor. We are trimming bushes here. It doesn't get any simpler than this. So let's just give a quick little trim or shave, so be it, and we'll see how it goes. Now we're only gonna do one bush, because this is my wife's job. Right? Not too shabby. Obviously these bushes need to be, these dead branches need to be taken out. but he can show you just a little bit of the power you're expecting. But again, this is a hedge trimmer, not a chainsaw, so please only use it as if it is one. If you're in the market for a compact, cost-effective, cordless, no cord, battery-powered head trimmer, consider Wild Badger. But again, guys, I always stress, when you guys do battery-powered equipment, whether it's Wild Badger or something else, don't just look at the one item that you may want or need. Look at your other items, because when you buy those other items, they come with other batteries. The batteries act as your gas can. You only get 60 minutes of runtime. Now for us, we can definitely get this done in about 60 minutes. For you guys, possibly not. But why limit yourself? Why stop what you're doing because you ran out of gas or ran out of battery? If you have another tool with another battery that's fully charged, it's basically a seamless process. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today for Wild Badger. I will put a link in the description to where you guys can purchase these on Amazon. And I also put a link for you guys where you could purchase them directly from Wild Badger themselves. They have great customer support. That's how we've been communicating. Catch you guys on the next one. How about this? Tell me what you guys think about Wild Badger. Or how about this? Because you know we are very affluent in the Cold Wolf 40 volt series. If you guys are running battery powered lawn tools, drop your thoughts and comments down below on what you're using and what your experience is. We're very happy. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.